Welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll learn how to find the root of the quadratic equation. Remember that whenever you are factorizing or solving quadratic equation, you need to find the two answer, that's the two value of x. Okay, in this case they asked to find the quadratic equation whose root are 2/3 and -9. Since the two roots are given, they asked to find the equation. Now remember, when solving quadratic equation, you are finding something related to, that's x is equals to, let's say 2/3, or x is equals to -9. That's when solving quadratic equation, you need to find the two value of x. Okay, let's solve this question. Remember that we can say x minus 2/3 into x plus 9. That's the two bracket we have. Let's remove the bracket so that we can find the value of x. We can find the root of the equation. We have x times x. Before removing the bracket, let's remove this fraction. We are removing this fraction by multiplying this x with 3. Okay, now we have 3x minus 2/3 minus 2 only. We have x plus 9. Now we can remove the brackets. 3x times x, we have 3x squared minus 3x times 9, that is, we have plus 27x minus 2 times x, here we have minus 2x minus 2 times 9, here we have 18. That's, let's collect the like time from the middle number. Since we have minus 27x, that is 27x minus 2x. Here we have 3x squared plus 25x minus 18 is equals to 0. We can make the equation to be equals to 0 since we have the two value of x in the root of the equation. Now that's the root of the quadratic equation given. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more video. Bye.